In this guide, I'm going to show you 4 easy ways that you can use to get speaker components quickly here in Arc Raiders. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but let's go ahead and get started immediately. The first method is by far the most reliable and it's super duper simple. You're going to want to go to this trader section up here and open up Celeste. Now she is the seed trader right here, and you can actually go ahead and get up to 5 speaker components per day, and each one costs about 50 seeds each. This is once again the easiest way to go ahead and get these, and it is super reliable. The second method is on your inventory, so open that up, and what you're going to want to do is look for specific items that you can recycle. Some weapons and gear will break down into speaker components, giving you a steady supply as you clear out extra loot. Just right click on the item and hit recycle to recycle. The third method is going to be through certain missions and quests, because they can actually reward you with speaker components once you do complete them. So make sure you pick those up and finish those side objectives whenever you can. But the fourth method is going to be on the map itself. What you're going to want to do is open up really any section, and if you do zoom in on these sections, you're going to want to go to these red highlighted zones or even these yellow highlighted zones as well. It doesn't really matter as much, but these are going to be medium and high loot value zones, and with the speaker component being a blue or rare item, these locations are the best to search because they are going to give you better loot and increase your chance of finding those speaker components in those containers and drops. But that is it. That is 4 solid ways to farm speaker components quickly here in Arc Raiders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.